As Mumbai's AQI continues to hit new lows, it has fueled health concerns, and with many experiencing different kinds of discomfort due to poor air quality, both children and adults are experiencing fever, cough and cold. My colleague Shrishti spoke to doctors and residents who say that the growing construction projects are making the air quality unhealthy.
Do you see such children coming to you where they have lung ailments or respiratory ailments initially as the pollution is rising in the city?
So yeah, these last couple of 2-3 months, we have seen an alarmingly high number of cases of children with cough, cold, fever. This is like, say, out of maybe 10 patients that come to our OPD, we have at least 7 to 8 having these complaints of cough and cold. And occasionally they do have complaints of loose motions, vomiting, diarrhea, things like that as well. Now, what we have seen is these are mostly viral illnesses. In adults, most of the patients are having H3N2 or some strains of influenza. But in our hospital in children, we've had a lot of cases of adenovirus coming positive. Now, these children also have some symptoms of conjunctivitis, some skin rashes, some abdominal pain and things like that.
Of air pollution?
See, now you cannot say that air pollution makes you get sick, in the sense air pollution does not give you a disease. Air pollution but predisposes you to getting sick. So what the air pollution does is basically changes the kind of air that affects your throat and things like that, and you are more vulnerable to get these kind of illnesses when the air quality is bad.
It's because of a lot of construction, a lot of civil work. Mainly, it's the metro that's been killing us, and the coastal road, and the killing of trees, and the hacking of trees. You don't cut trees in summer. You cut them after the rains or just after that, because that's when they're growing, yeah? You don't cut them in hibernation time. And they've done that faithfully every year. I don't know what BMC has against trees and the environment, but they don't seem to like us to breathe clean air, clean water. We want to tell the BMC to get the act together, to give us a plan, to show us a plan, to show that they care.
What are the health problems you have been facing, or you or any of your relative might be facing regarding?
So I think everyone, not only me and my relatives, but everyone in Bombay is coughing and spitting. That spitting was like general tradition.